Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. How are you doing today? Today's videos we're going to do a beauty box unboxing and demo and review. And today we're going to talk about American Influencer Beauty Bundle box. It's also known for AIA Award box. This is a bi-monthly subscription for $34 each box. The value is over $100. And today's, let's take a sneak peek what we're going to talk about. Ta-da! I believe it's called Purlisse, the skincare brand. It comes with skincare and body care, and let's get started. Okay, so Purlisse, that's how you pronounce the company name. Sorry, I said that wrong earlier. In this box, I'm gonna quickly show you what I got here. There's a total 5 full-size items and 1 travel size. So the 3 of them are skincare, 2 of them is body care. So this one is the pink charcoal watermelons antioxidant face mist, full size. And this baby here retail is $9.99. Then it also provide watermelon energized marshmallow. Wow, that sounds really good. Pure off mask. And this is $24. So this two alone is how much the box costs. Plus, I'm receiving the pink charcoal watermelon purifying cleansing milk, and this is this is $10. Okay. Then they provide the small baby size, the what is called watermelons energizing aqua bomb, the face gel. And this is the mini sample one, so I don't think how much that costs. Plus, they give a 2 full-size body care. Wow, this is big. It's the coconut oil coffee body scrub. Let's smell this first. Let's smell if this smells like coffee. You guys know me. If it says coffee, I want to smell like coffee. So let's see. I don't know yet. It doesn't really smell like coffee. It's terrible. And this is the body butter, silky body butter. And the body butter is $24. The coconut scrub is $24. So today I'm going to do a demo for the pure off mask, and the face mist. Maybe I'll do a cleanser too. So let's see how this feel like my skin, and what's the result on this product. Okay, I really should bring my glasses here. So this is the cleanser here, the cleansing milk is sulfate free with a pink charcoal watermelon infused cleansing milk. Gently cleanse the skin and remove makeup and tone and smooth the skin. So let's try this right here. So it comes out like a white gel type of texture in here. Whenever they say milky, so that means it's not going to be foaming. So, and then that means if it's milky, it's really good for somebody who has a drier and sensitive skin. Oh, it does smell sweet. At the first, it does have a hint of a watermelon smell in there, so I guess that's good. But does it smell like watermelon? Not quite. It smells like watermelon bubble gum. That's what it smells like. So just rinse this off. And I want to show you guys the best way to wash your face should be wash your hand first before you wash your face. After you lather out the cleanser, you want to focus on the forehead, cheek, your nose area, and the forehead area, and just circle around the eyes. And then of course, you're going to wash your behind the ear and your neck. Do you know how nasty is your ear that you don't wash? But I'm not doing it right now because it will get everywhere. So let me just get this here. Put this in here. Because I'm in the studio, so I'm gonna just use towel off, okay? I have to say the cleanser is very gentle though. It makes your skin feel smooth and soft. I wouldn't say super refreshing, but it feels clean, but not tight, if you know what I mean. One thing about cleanser is that after you rinse off water, if your skin feels very tight, that means that cleanser is probably not good for your skin type. Alright, so now let's move on to the Pure Off mask. So this is the Pure Off Strong Antioxidants So meaning that you're protecting the skin from free radical. It's brightening the skin and re-energize the skin. So after you rinse off the water, I typically like to put on toner before I put any type of mask, because when you put any type of mask, it actually kind of seals the skin. So first I'm going to use the watermelon face mist. It's a face mist, it's not a toner, but since I don't have a toner from their brand, I'm going to use this as toner. So that should be fine. So okay, I don't really smell watermelon. I smell even less smell than the cleanser. So I don't, one thing, you guys know me. I do believe what you pay is what you get, right? But if you're gonna call your product has watermelon or green tea, whatever, then it really should smell like what you say. Because if it don't smell like it, then I don't know why you put that in there. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Oh shoot, let me show you guys how. It's everywhere. So let me show you one more time here. Hold up. You see, this comes out really pretty. Whoa, this is some really cool colors. All right, now I got this all over my hand. So let's just put this on. So it is a peel off mask. We're gonna put this on the skin and leave for the 10 minutes for them to dry. Then we're gonna peel off. Again, I don't really smell watermelon, I'm sorry. I mean, so far, the product, the texture, the feeling, it's really good. I mean, there's no complaint. The only thing that I would just wish that, is the smell. Because it does not smell like what you say. It's a very thick paste. As you can see, my finger is hard to move a little bit. One thing about when you're using peel mask, try to avoid the eye area, or even better, put on the eye gel before you apply the peel mask. Because if you don't, the mask is going to pull the skin around the eye, and then that can cause a lot of tension. Then that will cause more wrinkle in the future. So, alright, so we'll put on a thin layer now. It's just a thin layer. I can't even see myself. Oh, please. You know what? I really need to build like a sink in my studio so I can really make this to a beauty room. Because right now, do you want to see how ghetto I am? A little cup of water down here. Try to make this work. And some people say, well, why don't I just film this in the bathroom? But the bathroom lighting is just not as good as the studio lighting. So I want to make sure that I provide the best lighting for you guys. Let's take a look. Okay, so I have the, I put on the mask on right now. It's all over the place. We're going to let it sit for 10 minutes. Oh, I don't know, can you see? There's a lot of glitter on there. So there's actual glitter. It has to be glitter. I mean, I think it's really fun to have something like this, but putting the glitter on the skin for skincare, I don't know about this though, honestly. Okay, we'll be right back. Alright, so I had a great idea. While I'm waiting for this to dry on my face, let's try the body exfoliator and the body butter, okay? So let's give it a try. I know earlier I said don't smell a lot of the coffee in there, so let's try this one more time. So I'm gonna put this on my hand. So this is my hand before. My arm, I'm gonna put it right here. So this is the before, and I'm gonna put one arm only. So let's try it. Hold on. Get closer to show you guys. So, oh! The coffee smell is very gentle. There's a lot of essential oil in there, so you can see that. So it's really great that when the scrub has essential oil. One thing about, I will recommend that when you're buying the scrub for your body, try to buy in the tube like this. Anything has a big jar opening, the essential oil usually evaporate really fast or get dries out for some reason. When they seal like this, the consistency is way better, and you should always shake it before you use the product. The granule beads is man-made, so it's very soft. You can really work on the skin. It's not going to harm the skin. So I like the texture of this right now. I'm pushing it really hard right now on my skin. So let's rinse it off with water. Oh, that's very smart, Steve, because How am I doing this? Very messy. Okay, let's just try to use towel then. So take a look again. So this has treatment, this has no treatment. Wow, I can totally see. And ooh, very soft. I don't know if you guys, before the pandemic, I always love to go to Korean spa to get a body scrub, but since the pandemic, I mean, the spas are closed, so nobody scrub my body, so I'm gonna do that myself. So let's try the Silky Buddy Butter. It also has coconut oil and coffee in there. Let's give it a try. I can open this. Okay. The best time is right after you take a shower when your body's still wet. Because when the body's still wet, the treatment actually will go in the skin better. And then you massage your entire body when your body's still semi-wet. And then you towel dry, paddle dry a little bit. So that's the best time to apply your body treatment. Okay, I like the texture, I like how you feel, the result even, you know. But the smell, it's just not exactly what it states on the packaging. I don't smell coconut oil. I definitely don't smell coffee in this one. But would I buy this $24? I probably will buy the scrub because I like how this finish. The lotion, I can live without this one. Okay, but again, that's why you do the beauty box, so you can try everything before you invest. I mean, imagine I had to buy all this separately and it turned out stuff that I don't like, and I think that's kind of wasteful money. So take a look again before and after. Not bad. I mean, not bad. All right, so we're gonna wait for a couple more minutes and do a peel off review on my skin. I'll be right back. Okay, it's about 15 minutes now. Definitely, it's a very tight, and I see there's a lot of glitter on the mask, and I don't think the glitter adding any benefit for the skincare. It's really more for social media. It's pretty, it's cool, and I guess because it's the sitting inside the mask is not penetrating skin, so the glitter should be okay. Okay, let's try to peel this off right now. See, can I do it? Can you? Maybe I didn't use it enough. It's hard to peel off. So it's not those are very intense peel off. It's more gentle. You see when I pull my eye area? So that's what you should always use right gel. It's like skin snake. Snake skin. Skin snake. I am not impressed this peel off mask because it actually made my skin really dry. I don't see any major difference on the skin because when you peel off like that, you do generally exfoliate the skin a little bit on surface. Depends how intense is the mask. So this is more like a medium intensity. So this is the first impression that got my skin. I mean, I have very strong lighting, so it looks good on you. I mean, it looks good on the camera, but in real life, re-energize, brightening and tightening the appearance of the skin. It definitely tightening the skin, I can tell you that. But is this re-energize my skin? I don't think so. Retexturize your skin? Yes, because the peel off mask actually exfoliates your skin a little bit while you peel off. So it does provide that benefits in there. So let me rinse it off with water. I feel I need to rinse off the water. I'll be right back. Alright, so I just rinsed off the peel mask on my face, feel much more better. And again, I don't have the toner, so I'm going to use the face mist as toner. So I kind of prep my skin before I put the oil-free gel. The product is not bad. I enjoy the cleanser. The pure mask I probably will not pay for next time. The mist I think was okay, but I do love the body scrub. Now let's try the oil-free gel. So this is the small size. I think my biggest problem is not because the result. It's really the smell. Let me see real quick here. Good. So it comes out like this kind of creamy white color. Like if everything has watermelon, I really like to smell a little bit more watermelon, and I just feel disappointment that if I don't. Oh, the lotion is good, This is oil-free, really? Wow. It's very slippery. You can see my hands kind of shine a little bit. So this is a good one. So again, it's re-energize your skin, brightening the skin. Wow. Okay. I like the aqua bomb, the water bomb basically. Energize, watermelon energizing aqua bomb. This is good. And of course, this is the travel size. The full size $24. So I think, so all everything, I will definitely buy this again. I will get an aqua bomb, and I'll probably get the cleanser. It's only $10, and it does make my skin pretty nice. The other 3 products I wouldn't pay for, but again, that's why you get Beauty Box. You can save money. So anyway, I really hope you like today's video. Give you some background information on the product of a Purlisse. And hopefully you found this helpful. And if you have any questions or any feedback regarding skincare, definitely follow me on my Instagram, Skin by Steve Jen. That's where I share all the beauty and skincare tips and demo and tutorial video on there. Alright, so again, thank you so much for your support. My YouTube channel means a lot to me, and I will see you guys next week. Bye!